our newly appointed President of the Mindanao State University System, Attorney Basari D. Mapapano, our guest of honor in today's event, Ma'am Samira Ali Gutok, former member of the Regional Legislative Assembly of ARMM, our intelligent and competent resource speakers, Professor Cecile B. Mambuay from the College of Hotel and Restaurant Management, Professor Jahara A. Sulaiman of the College of Social Sciences and Humanities, Dr. Akram A. Latif, Executive Director of the Institute for Peace and Development in Mindanao, Ms. Maricris B. Sandueta, Communication Skills Trainer and Senior Trainer of Concentrix, and Mindset and Strength Coach, Ms. Sarah D. Kameni, other guests, participants, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May the blessings and guidance of the Almighty Allah be with us all today. First of all, I would like to commend the members of the Committee on Alumni Participation headed by its ever-dynamic chairperson, Ma'am Hanima Salik Lao, the Director of the Alumni Relations Office, for the determination and the efforts exerted in order to push through this relevant program intended for our graduates' last 57 commencement exercises for the first semester of the academic year 2021-2022. Indeed, this virtual job placement seminar provides our graduates and alumni job seekers vital and relevant information on the different approaches and tips in job seeking. It is my prayer that the knowledge and skills they gain from this seminar will help them land a job of their choice. Special thanks to our guest of honor, Ma'am Samira Gutok, for gracing this occasion despite your very busy schedule. Your presence is truly a gift and an inspiration, especially to the Bangsamoro youth. May the Almighty be with you in your future undertakings. Also, to our resource speakers, thank you very much, ma'ams and sir, for sharing your knowledge and skills to our graduates and alumni job seekers. I am confident that the wisdom they gain from your respective lectures will give them edge among the other job seekers in the country. Finally, all thanks are due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. None of this would be possible without His divine intervention. Congratulations everyone, and see you again next year.